Hi guys, hope everybody's having a good Saturday. What I have here in front of the camera are a pair of voltage regulators. The one on the right is for a GMC 2.5 ton 6x6, and the one on the left is the correct voltage regulator for the Chevy. Now unfortunately, the one for the Chevy is empty. But I found a nice man online who builds replacement, solid state replacement voltage regulators. And that will drop right in here without any problems. So about a month and a half ago I bought 2 of these. And the reason why I bought them is because they still have the original magnetic point sets in them. Here, here, and here. And they don't go bad. So Thursday I blew one apart and did some nice work to it. Now we're going to put it back together. And I'm going to take something that looked like this and make it look like this. Here are all the parts I need to reassemble. And I've already checked out the magnetic points here, and these are in good shape. So they'll be able to keep the battery charged, and the charge rate is at 7.5 volts. So let's get to work and get everything back together. Helps to be ambidextrous. Now these 3 bolts I wanted to have pretty tight. Okay. Yeah. That way. These assemblies are called capacitors. And they act like a little trampoline for electricity. So when the electricity goes in, these charge up. And if there's a drop in voltage, they spring the voltage back. And keep it at a constant level. Thing you have to be careful with capacitors is they will hold a charge for a certain amount of time, and if you touch one and are grounded, you could get a pretty bad shock. I don't mind electricity as long as it stays out of my body. Hurts when it doesn't. So I had to do a lot of cleaning of this chemical that the voltage regulator was coated with. It's a military moisture fungal protectant, and it's sprayed on a very low pressure, sprayed on a lot of electrical connections to prevent moisture and fungus problems. So those are there. Wow, this may I may not make it. drop the regulator in. There. Just need that screw just a little bit tighter. I'm happy I bought 2 of these because I'm using the other one somewhat of a reference. This one here is going to be a little challenging to get to, but I think I can do it. My fat fingers. There we go. Yeah, you can't see it, but I'll get it started and move my finger. I got it. Okay. That's good there. Oh, one more over here. Yeah. Okay, there's that. Now we just have a couple of minutes left. So this rubber gasket just gets put around the perimeter like that. Yeah, now I know why those are there. Okay. So these feet, probably should have put them on first, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to wrap this up. I got a few seconds left. This is part 1, and I'll be back with part 2.